You broke a bone in your wrist or your hip in an accident, and now your doctor tells you that you have avascular necrosis. Hang on for a moment and I'll explain what avascular necrosis is and how it impacts your accident claim. Hi, I'm Dr. Guy DiMartino, a Northwest Indiana injury and accident lawyer and author of a guide to Indiana car accident claims. When we look at a bone in a picture, it looks white. But bones have a lot of blood supply. Remember, our blood cells are made from the inside of a bone or the bone marrow. Avascular necrosis is death of the bone because the blood supply has been cut off. The most common bones affected are the scaphoid bone in the wrist, the knee, and the hip. For instance, avascular necrosis in the hip causes the head of the femur to flatten out. Because the head, which is supposed to be round, flattens out, the hip cannot move like it did before in the joint, and it'll cause pain, dysfunction, and joint destruction. These folks usually have to undergo a hip replacement. Many folks also develop avascular necrosis in the scaphoid bone in the wrist. A lot of times these folks have to eventually have their wrist fused. Accidents are not the only causes of avascular necrosis. Avascular necrosis can come from long-term steroid use and use of the newfangled drugs biophosphates for prevention of osteoporosis. Why do I share this information with you? Because knowledge is power. If you've developed avascular necrosis because of an injury, you need to understand the process and the long-term consequences so you can receive fair and just compensation for your injuries. If you have any questions about avascular necrosis, you can call me directly on my cell phone or click the link if you would like to request a free copy of my book. I am Dr. Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have yourself a great day.